my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start English, chapter number 14, a mob of meerkats. The Kalahari Desert can be very hot and dry. ना बहुत गर्म होता है Kalahari रेगिस्तान. But many kinds of animals and plants make their home there. They have found way to stay cool and get enough water. One animal that lives in this desert is the Kalahari lion. This lion is a big cat like other lions, but it hunts for animals smaller than the ones that other lions hunt. That is because most Kalahari animals are small. The male Kalahari lion has a black mane, another animal that lives in this desert in the Jamsbok. It is a large antelope. Jamsbok can live for a long time without drinking water. They get the water they need from the plants they eat. Many desert trees live in the Kalahari too. For example, the camel thorn tree makes nutrients for the plants. Those plants become food for animals. The camel thorn tree also offers shades. Okay, living in the Kalahari desert isn't easy, but meerkats do it very well. Meerkats are small, furry members about 2 feet long. Okay, so they are the members of the mongoose family. Mongoose family के सदस्य होते हैं ये. They have sharp claws that are used for digging burrows and looking for food. Meerkats have long tails. They use their tails for balance so that they can stand upright. And meerkats no need to stand upright so that they can watch for danger. Meerkats are adapted for life in the harsh desert. They live in underground tunnels. Their eyes have dark circles. They act like sunglasses. है ना, उनकी जो आंखें हैं डार्क सर्कल की तरह ऐसा लगते हैं कि sunglasses लगे हुए हैं. So they have special patches of skin on their bellies. They absorb the sunlight which they use to stay warm during the cold desert nights. Meerkats are social animals. They live in groups called mobs or gangs. Meerkats mobs work together to stay alive. For example, meerkats look for food during the day when they are hunting. Some meerkats stand guard to watch our enemies. Hawks and eagles like to eat meerkats. So, do some other animals. So, meerkats always have to be on the lookout. If there is a danger, the guards call out an alert. Then all the meerkats return to their deck. Meerkats raise their young ones together too. Baby meerkats are very tiny when they born. Their eyes are closed and they are helpless. So, all the adult meerkats take turn for babysitting. They all work together as a team to take care of the baby meerkats. They teach the babies how to look for food and watch out for enemies. Baby meerkats take about a year to mature into adults. Meerkats usually eat bugs and small rodents such as mice. Sometimes they eat small snakes and they can even eat the poisonous scorpion. If poison does not make them sick, meerkats are also well adapted for their desert life. Meerkats dig safe places called bolt holes throughout their foraging area where they can hide in an emergency. But if caught in the open by a predator, a meerkat will try to look fast. Lying on its back and showing its teeth and claws, if a group is confronted, the meerkats will stand together, arching their backs, raising their hair and hissing. This sometimes fools an attacker into thinking they are a single large vicious enemy. Meerkats are abundant throughout their range and are not considered threatened or endangered, but they live a very difficult life in the African desert, constantly threatened by hungry predators, rival meerkats, drought, and burrow flooding rainstorms. So everyone, the chapter is an air. I hope you all are very well understand full chapter. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.